Today's video regarding HP DeskJet 3636 all-in-one printer. So I'm going to show you how to do the copy, and in copy I'll show you how to do two-sided copy on a single page and how to do the wireless printing and scanning. So let's start with the copy. So switch on the printer. Also load A4 size sheets at the rear paper tray. Open the paper output tray. Now open the top scanner lid and place a page facing downwards on the right hand side corner. Click on the copy button. Now to do the two-sided copy, and just take the page upside down and reverse it and insert it here again. Open the top scanner lid and place the page facing downward here and click on the copy again. Here we can see we have printed copy page 1 and copy page 2. So this way we can print on the both side of this page. Let's do the wireless printing and scanning. For that we have to go on the display panel. We need to activate the Wi-Fi direct of this printer. So click on the Wi-Fi direct icon. So once you click on that, same icon will be available on the screen and its light will be on. We also need to print the password of this printer. So click on the information button once. Look under the Wi-Fi direct icon, the name of the printer and its password. Go to your Android device and open the Wi-Fi setting and look for the name of the printer, that is Direct D6 HP DeskJet 3630 series. Click on it. Enter the password as it was printed on the page and click on the connect button. Once it is connected, we go and open the HP Smart app. You can download the app from the App Store. Click on the plus button on the top of the screen. You will see the printer name is displayed here. So click it again. And instantly our printer is added up here. So let's do the wireless printing. So look for the print document section in the app and click on it. Look for the PDF and select a PDF you want to print and click on the print button. On the next screen, if you want, you can increase the number of copies. You can change it to the color if you have a color print. Otherwise you can just click on the blue icon and it will send a command for the printer. So here we can see the print has arrived. So that's the way we can do the wireless print. Now I'll show you how to do the wireless scanning. For that, go back. In this app, look for the scan option, that is printer scan. Also it is available at the bottom of this screen, that is printer scan here. So click any one of that and now open the top scanner lid. Place a page facing downwards on the right hand side corner and close the lid. Click on the scan button. So here we can see the scan has arrived. So if you want, you can add more scans by clicking on the plus button and scanning more documents. And then you just click on the save button and just save it wherever you want. So overall I can say the printer is really good for the wireless printing and scanning, and it's easy to connect with your device directly without using the Wi-Fi network of your home and office. Thanks for watching.